Good morning, class. How are you today? I hope you are all doing well, ready to learn. Before we start, let me ask you a question. Have you ever wondered what the small unit of life, every living organism, including humans, animals, and plants, it's made you up of thin structure cell. And today we are learning about cell, their structure and the cell function. By the end of the lesson, you will be able to identify the parts of cell and explain the health roles in living organisms. Let's begin your lesson. Chemical components of cell structure and function by Patricia Tanjung. Learning objective number 1, explain the chemical components of cell. Number 2, identify the various organelles that make up a cell. Number 3, explain the structure and function of cell organelle. Cell definition. Cell are the small units of living things that can carry out a life activity. A living things are composed of cell and white cell process use metabolism, growth, and reproduction occur. Chemical component of cell. Number 1, inorganic compounds. Water H2O, the last component of cell. Number 2, as a supplement and medium for metabolic reaction. Number 3, how to transfer substance white cell. Number 4, mind cell temperature and balance. Number 2, mineral salt. Example, natrium, kalium, calcium, magnesium, Fl, and phosphor. Maintains osmotic pressure and cell pH. Acid enzyme activity play a role in liver and muscle function as well as bone and blood formation. The main function of inorganic compounds, maintaining cell balance and supporting metabolism process. Number 2, organic components. Number 1, carbohydrate, the main energy source of cell. Example, glucose. Function produksi fast energy, manifesting cell structure cellulosa in plants. Number 2, protein, components of amino acid, function enzyme reaction catalase from cell and tissue to structure, helps transfer substance like the body. Number 3, lipid fats, insoluble in water, composite of fatty acid and glycerol, functional as a long-term energy reservoir, constituting cell membrane. Protein, protecting body organs, helps maintaining body temperature. Number 4, nucleic acid, consists of DNA and RNA, play a role in trans and protein synthesis, function store genetic information, regulate cell activity, control protein synthesis, cause of energy information to offspring. Cell structure, cell membrane, a thin layer, the enclose the entry cell, components of phospholipids and protein that form its flexible structure, selective permeable, allowing only keratin substance to enter or exit the cell. Cell membrane function regulation the enter and exit of substance such as nutrient, water, and ions. Protects organelle and cell. Context from the external environment. Maintains the balance of internal cell condition, homeostasis, play a role in community and relation between cells to grow structures on the membrane, cellular transport process, and cellular metabolism activity. Next, cytoplasma, a thin fluid the the space between the cell membrane and the nucleus, composed of water, protein, enzyme, mineral, salts, and variety of other dissolved substances. And it hosts cell, organelles, and various of their function where various cellular metabolic reaction occur, store essential substances needed by the cell, i.e. the movement and distribution of material within a cell, support organelle and keep them in place, play a role in cell growth and activity. Number 3, nucleus. The large organelle serving as the control center, surrounded by a nuclear membrane that separates the nucleus from the cytoplasma, contains DNA as genetic material and nucleus, which plays a role in ribosome formation, function, regulation and control of cellular activity, store genetic information in the form of DNA, control cell growth and division, surface RNA synthesis, directs protein synthesis by regulation gene expression. Number 4, cell organelles. Organelles are special structure wide class that have specific function of support cell life. Each organelle works together to ensure the cell activity are carried and properly. Example of the cell organelles: mitochondria, size of cellular reproduction of energy, production ATP, ribosome, size of protein synthesis, endoplasmic reticulum RA play a role in the synthesis and transport of protein and lipids. Golgi apparatus, modification, pack gas, and distribution the production of cell synthesis. Lysosome this protein substance metabolic batch and damaged organelles. Next, cell organelles. Number 1, mitochondria. Oval of bronze patch organelles with a double membrane. The inner membrane is flowed to from crystal, which inscribe the suffrage are for respiration, often referred to as the powerhouse of the cell, because it produces most of energy the cell needs. Function: sites where cellular refraction occurs, produce energy in the form of ATP, adenosine triphosphate, produces energy for its cell growth, division, and activity, play a role in carbohydrate and fat metabolism to produce energy. Number 2, ribosome. These organelles are very small and lack membranes. They are composed of ribosome RNA, and protein. They can be found free in the cytoplasma or H2 rigorous endoplasmic reticulum RA. Function consists of protein synthesis, transfer genetic information from mRNA into amino acid chain, product protein used for the cell growth, repair and activity. Free ribosome produces protein for the cell needs, while ribosome in the rows RA produces protein for extraction or use in the cell membrane. Number 3, endoplasmic reticulum RA. This organelle is a cell-like structure of membrane that is interactions with the cytoplasma. It plays a role in the synthesis and transport of various substances within the cell. It consists of two types, large RA and small RA. Type and function: large RA has ribosome on its surface. Size of protein synthesis and transport assists in the formation of cell membrane. Smooth RA does or not have ribosome. Site of lipid and salt synthesis play a role in the detoxification of harmful substance, acids in the structure and transfer of various substances within the cell. Number 4, Golgi apparatus, an organelle composed of stock of plant cells play a role in processing stock and distribution of various substances. Synthesis by the cell. Many are found in the cell. The activities range: function, modification, protein and lipid derived from the endoplasmic reticulum, fetch protein into vessel for transfer to specific destination, transfer protein and other substance into and out of the cell from secretory vessel and lysosomes, play a role in the secretion of various substance and by the cell. Number 4, lysosome, the small membrane-bound sexless organelle. The constant variation the digestive enzymes capable of breaking down various substances. They are general found in animal cell. Function: the digest fragrant substance that enter the cell. They destruction, damage, or diffuse functional organelles. They play a role in the process of autophagy, which result. They play a role in the process of autophagy, which results all or the mix of cell components. They have maintain cell cleanliness and balance. They break down metabolism with the cell. Conclusion: cells are the basic unit of life. They are components of inorganic and organic chemical components. They have complex structure with specific function. Cell organelles work together to make cell life. Thank you. Before we end today's lesson, let's review what we have learning today. We discussed the cell and the basic unit of life, the structure and their function. I hope you now have a better understanding of cell work and why they are important to living organism. Thank you for participation and action during the lesson. If you have any question, please feel free to ask. See you in the next class. Have a great day.